Speaker ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Thomas A. Sangma ulapanya ya ka jialang jong ka high-powered committee na kabanta bantay thama ya ka assembly ka bathamay hamaw diang. Hakani ka jialang layadon lang Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, Deputy Speaker Timothy D. Shira, Charles Pingrop, Lakman Rimbui, Bantaydor Lingdo, Chief Secretary D.P. Walang, Commissioner and Secretary, Meghalaya Assembly, Dr. Andrew Simons, bat kiway. Uspika habakran bet kinong tho kubor, ula ong ba ka jialang kala menjur ya kador bat thamay kadom, ni ka tnum pyllun ka assembly bat kumjuru ya kamang pisa, na kabenta ban pyllut ya kate ka jingtei bat thamay. Thomas ula ong ba ka niga design ka bathamay lapit banya da ka IIT Roorkee bat IIT Guwahati bat ula banrap ba ka jingtei ru kan sdang no.
High power committee meeting, we decide since we have got the approval from the approval vetted by Guwahati IIT, which was earlier approved by IIT Roorkee. So now the design structure has been approved by both the premier IITs. So the work can resume now. So the SPC sat down to approve, give the administrative approval, and also there were some financial approvals also were required, because since the scope of work has also been increased. So these are the few things that we have made decisions.
What about the financial implication? What will be the additional amount required?
No, it's additional amount, not much, but as you see there certain the scope of work has increased. Because of that, the revision was required. So that has also been approved. So the work can proceed now, and we have also complied with all the observations made by Guwahati IIT upon the collapse of the dome. So certain observations were made by the kind of who had also examined the and tried to find out the reasons for the collapse of the dome. So we have complied with all their observations. Now we have appointed also, we will be appointing a PMC, Program Monitoring Committee. So that's also been done as required, as observed by the. We'll resume the work.
By once, any time frames?
Immediately.
What about the debris, sir?
Debris is being removed, so the work will start, and the left wing, right wing buildings are also, the work has not stopped, but for we have to engage laborers from outside. So this is a Eid time. Maybe after Eid, right after Eid, the work will resume full swing. But even now also the work is not left. There are some laborers, but as you can see, most of the skilled laborers are from the Muslim background, so they are having celebrating Eid. So we have to give them time to celebrate Eid. That's all.
Any additional points on the meeting if you want to share?
I'm sorry?
Any additional points you want to share about the meeting, sir?
That's all. And we have also instructed the PWD to and the PMC to go for. We will simultaneously we will also have a look at the second phase. So we will try to finish the second phase, because if we complete the assembly by next year, within a year, then everything has to shift there, all the establishments. But without any infrastructure available there, so we have decided to also simultaneously go for the second phase.
Final question, sir. If you can just tell us the funds, that additional funds that we have approved
for the ongoing project or the second phase?
the ongoing.
Ongoing is from the state budget only.
How much?
It will be, I think it is gone up to 200 plus. So 177 have already spent. So maybe another 250, or maybe another 80 crores.